Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Blerzcraft. I finished up another piece, so in this video, we're gonna check it out.
So this is going to be a pretty quick video for what was a pretty easy build. It was very fun. I started out with the same chunk of styrofoam that I have been working off of. It's the last piece of that styrofoam. And then I blocked out the basic shape I wanted with cuts of XPS foam. I knew I wanted an arch in there, so I held a roll of duct tape down to the XPS foam and cut it on the hot wire cutter, and that seemed to work pretty good. I know there's definitely better techniques for it. This is my first real experience carving the XPS foam, besides doing little bricks, so I wanted to kind of push myself and see how I could problem solve my way through things. I really liked building it. It's definitely fun. It's quicker than laying bricks by hand and sturdier, but it doesn't have the same feel to it, in my opinion. It does allow for some really cool architectural options, so I am excited to do more with it. I did want to incorporate loose bricks wherever I could, so I did them on the inside of the arch. I then stuccoed up the outside of the styrofoam with joint compound or drywall mud, and then started breaking it out. When I was breaking it out, I thought I just did this one side and I kind of liked the look of just the side being done, and the back of it was cardboard, so I cut the cardboard back out and pushed it back a little bit and put larger chunks, larger stones, so that it kind of showed the foundation stones of the wall. And I really like the way that that turned out. I will probably incorporate that idea more in smaller details, because I feel like that really adds to diorama building, having the different layers. Besides the time I spent laying bricks, overall it was a pretty quick and easy build, and I'll definitely use more of these techniques in future builds.
So yeah, here we go. Here's this piece. Got it lined up in the shot. Turn around. Really like the plaster cast fondant mold baroque style cast I did. Really like this area. It's a good way to cut some time out right there from laying so many bricks. I do like the way that the sculpture came out, the engraving or whatever. Yeah, man. Whoa! It survived. But no.
Just want to take a moment to say thank you to everyone watching this. Anyone hitting likes or subscribing or sharing or anything really does help support me. Hit me up on Instagram at Blerzcraft. I'll catch you guys next time.